Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. One of my listeners asked, whenever I try to delete any file or folder or any icon from my desktop or from any location on my system, it directly gets deleted without giving the delete confirmation dialog. How do I get that dialog? So, in response to this query, today let's see how to get the delete confirmation dialog when we try to delete any file or folder from any of the location on your system. So let's see. I'm currently on desktop. Now here.
Test notepad 8 of 8.
Test notepad. Now let me try to delete it. Nothing is announced. Let me cross check.
JAWS 2026 2.
As you can notice, the file got deleted without giving any confirmation. Now let's see. First, let me undo the action. Let me check.
Test notepad 8 of 8.
Yes. Now, let's see how to get the delete confirmation dialog. To get that, focus to recycle bin.
Recycle bin not selected. Selected.
Okay.
JAWS recycle bin 1 of 8.
Hit Alt Enter to get the properties dialog of recycle bin.
Recycle bin properties dialog. General property page list local disk C.
Now in this dialog, keep tabbing till you find the option
Settings for max display delete confirmation dialog. Checkbox not checked. Alt plus D.
Display delete confirmation dialog. Let me shift tab and tab again.
Settings for display delete confirmation dialog. Checkbox not checked. Alt plus D.
Okay, this is the option. You need to check this.
Checked.
And then tap to apply.
OK. Cancel. Apply button. Alt plus A. Pressed. Unavailable. General.
Tap to OK.
Control cancel button. OK button. Press desktop list.
That's it. Now let me try to delete that same file.
Test notepad 7 of 8.
Okay, test notepad. I'm hitting delete key.
Delete file dialog. Are you sure you want to move this file to the recycle bin? Test notepad type. Text document size. 12 bytes. Date modified. No button. Alt plus N. Yes button. Alt plus Y.
As you can notice, we are now getting this delete confirmation dialog. Okay, this is how you can get delete confirmation dialog. That's all in this video. Thank you.